Shiny boy,
Okay.
you're being filmed. What do you have to say for yourself?
I have to say. Oh, shoot, one sec. What is it?
High pitch. Come on, you can do better.
That echoed like the building like 2 blocks away.
Adam, you're not in the video.
Gucci, and I'd just like to say that the world is still walking down in LA. Oh.
We don't want a picture of your bum.
Oh shit.
Put that in America's Funniest Home Videos.
My name is Nietzsche.
He's German now.
What?
You gotta put that movie on America's Funniest Home Videos.
You know I did that.
Did you see it?
Right?
Yeah.
Why would I hit the brake? I was full pad.
Sean, just think something else.
Watch, I'll do it again. My God. It's just as bad as the time you thought I was running away from you.
What's this?
My engagement ring from Brian.
Pretty.
I got to pick it out.
Pretty.
Who's this boy coming up here that's bald?
Yeah, let me see the video. The video of that backflip and wasting myself. That was good because I whacked my face off.